Hello. My name is Ali, CEO of Ox Food Truck. I've been involved in the restaurant business for about 12 years now, holding many different positions from dishwashing and prep cook to general manager. Now, what kind of food did our food truck offer, is that you ask? It's the food that combines different flavors, from one of the greatest tasting of Middle Eastern flavors to Southeast Asian scent. The Ox Food Truck will offer home-style dinner food, accessible to everyone by focusing on breakfast combo along with diner favorites. It is appealing option for everyone. The strength of our business is our food truck is accessible to everyone. Furthermore, our food is affordable and high quality. And most importantly, our staffs are friendly and customer services are provided. Our short-term goals are to create a menu that people can enjoy and bring in enough customers to pay for starting supplies. For a long-term accomplishment, we can bring enough customers to make a generous profit. If our business really takes off, we will open a permanent location. In terms of competition, there are no other food trucks in the area, so the competition are limited and narrowed to diners and restaurants. By offering low prices and easier access to our product, the target customers are everyone. As our operation commences, we used saved money, bank loans and small investment of investors. To begin the process by leasing food truck and hiring chefs. Once our business has taken off, we will continue to advertise on bigger scales and get permission to sell in parking lots of major corporations. The public will definitely react well to the introduction of a food truck into the city. Thank you.